Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to close all Google Chrome tabs on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. And then here you can see that there are many tabs that I have not closed. Okay, and then to close all tabs, you can click one by one like this. But to make it easier, you can click the three dots in the upper right corner. And then here you can choose Close All Tabs. Okay, and then click once more. And then all tabs will be closed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to close all Google Chrome tabs on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.